Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. So today I'll be messing around with this PC. I found out there it have seen better days. It has some rust issues, probably on the VGA IO, but the metal piece can be changed, can be removed. The box, I don't know if I'm going to use it, but I'm going to test out this PC. After placing it on the test, I realized that the problem I had with this motherboard was the power switch. So I thought the PC motherboard was out of commission, but for some reason I placed a metal piece, flathead screwdriver between the two connectors of the power switch, and the PC came on. So then I figured I should change the power supply switch, and everything went like it should. So I'll leave you with what I found going on this board. Now I must say that BIOS screen displays have improved over the years and is now very entertaining. The display screen you have, your BIOS is now very animated and it's great. Check it out. So far, my processor is running cool and relaxed. Smooth sailing. Eventually, I'll try and place a Windows 7 back on there. Freshen up my hard drive and make it happy. Real big. Everything big, real big. Yeah. Okay, there are other functions on this screen. You have 3D BIOS, which is also cool. You can use your mouse cursor. Place your mouse cursor on the board, on the virtual board, and find out where things are placed. PCI, RAM, processor, SATA, basic stuff Although I'd advise you to get your manuals, get your game on, get the right information if you're doing this. But it's entertaining. You can also rotate the board right there. Isn't that something? That's cool. So, as I prepare to wrap up this first section of attack on this motherboard, I hope you enjoyed yourself with AFP Connects, and I'm out. I'll leave you with nature. Peace out. Guada, DA, SM, Antigua. Big up yourself. Let's go.